Hey everybody, it's Pam, and today's project is this America, the Land That I Love word block, and we're going to decorate it and put it all together. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the glue the stands on the back so your sign will be freestanding. And I'm just going to glue these, and then I'm going to put this off to the side and let that glue sit while we get all the other projects together. So instead of painting each block, I am going to actually cover it with scrapbook paper, and I've just gathered from my scrapbook paper stash some patriotic colors and designs that will match. I have some polka dots and some stripes, and then I have specific patriotic paper, and I'm just putting it all together. So we're going to get these pieces all glued down onto the word blocks. Now it does cover up the scoring, but it's okay. You're going to put each letter on there, so you'll be able to see where to put it. And so to kind of clean these blocks up, I'm going to sand around the edges on each one. Get them all cleaned up, get any extra paper that might be hanging over the sides, and also distress it so it looks kind of rustic. And then once I do that, I've got all my pieces laid out. I've got the first line is red, and then we've got blue, and the fireworks are going to be white, and then the land that I love is going to be blue. And I just separate everything like this because it's easier to know what you're going to paint and which color if you group them together. So I'm just using a makeup sponge, and I get these off of Amazon, and I love them. If you need a link to them, let me know, and I'll be more than happy. You can get a big bulk of them, and it will last you a while because I cut them. When I get done with the color, I just cut the tip off, and then I keep using it. So if you need a link, just let me know. But to make this all look rustic looking, I am just taking my little hand sander or palm sander, finger sander. It's called different things. I got mine off of Amazon, and I absolutely love it. If you need a link, let me know. And just sanding all of those letters and words and stuff all up. And now that I've got that, I'm going to take my sponge dabber here that's been dipped in on the ink pad, and I'm just going to shade all the sides and kind of grunge them up just a little bit. I'm doing the blocks, and I'm doing the letters, and I'm doing everything that's part of this sign. Makes that a little bit easier. So just doing all the sides, all the letters, getting them all grunged up. And this will make it look kind of rustic looking. Now you can skip this part if you want to. You don't have to do this part. If you want yours not to look kind of grungy, just don't sand it, or just, shade the edges with the brown or whatever. And that way it won't give it that grunge look. And now we're just putting all of our pieces together on the board to see like how everything lays out. And once we do that, we'll get everything glued down. I'm just gluing down the last bit of the pieces. And now we're going to add our fireworks. And then once I do that, I'm going to use my paint pen that I have and just do a little bit of detailing on some of the letters. Not very much, just a little bit. And then once we do that, I'm going to add the little pieces on the backer where I put the little U-shaped pieces, and I'm going to add the rest of the stands, and then that way my sign will be freestanding. And then once that is done, it's all put together, you are ready to put it out to decorate for your 4th of July festivities. This will be available in my Etsy shop. If you have any questions, please just let me know. And make sure you're part of my painting group, which is free because you get a discount on anything that you purchase in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a great evening. And if you wouldn't mind sharing and sprinkling, that would be awesome. Thank you guys. See y'all in the next video.